Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chocolate Oreo milkshake. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of good quality vanilla ice cream, which forms the creamy base. Next, grab half a cup of milk. Whole milk works best for richness. And of course, the star of the show, 6 to 8 Oreo cookies. Having everything ready makes the blending process super smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to blend. Carefully scoop the 1.5 cups of vanilla ice cream into your blender. Then, pour in the half cup of milk. Secure the lid and blend on a medium setting until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy. You want to avoid any large ice cream chunks, so keep blending until it's a consistent, pourable texture. This creates the perfect foundation for our delicious milkshake. With your creamy base ready, it's time for the Oreos. Take 6 to 8 cookies and crush them into small, delightful pieces. You can do this by hand in a bag or with a quick pulse in the blender before adding the liquid. Now, add these crushed Oreos to your blended ice cream and milk mixture. Give it a few quick pulses, just enough to incorporate the cookie bits without completely pulverizing them. We want that lovely texture. Your amazing chocolate Oreo milkshake is now complete. Carefully pour the thick, delicious mixture into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream and perhaps a whole or half Oreo cookie for garnish. Grab a straw and enjoy your homemade treat. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks, along with other great deals. They truly offer comfort and durability for life's adventures. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.